Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. This video is the first one on this channel dedicated only for left-handed. It's been many years I wanted to do this channel because I'm a left-handed myself, but only now I had decided to start it. It's not going to be very long. This video is just for absolute beginners. If you're just starting to crochet, you don't know which hook to choose, which yarn to choose, and then we'll make the slip knot and how to make a chain. Simple and straightforward. So you don't need much to know. Usually when you are an absolute beginner and you have no idea about crochet or crochet hooks, the easiest way when you go to buy a yarn ball or a skein of yarn, that's what they usually call it, best thing and best for most of the crochet projects, no matter what, beanie, blanket, anything usually from crochet, what you need to learn and what you need to do later when you get advanced, is medium worsted acrylic yarn. So usually it is written in the yarn label medium 4, it is written medium 4, or you can ask anybody from where you will buy the yarn. So medium worsted acrylic is the best to use for most of the crochet projects, and also price wise is the best. For the crochet hook, again, you don't need to know much. On the yarn label again, it will be written which crochet hook is recommended for that yarn you're gonna buy. So usually in the crochet hook you'll find this number written, 5.5 or 4.5. That's how you know the hook size. So in the yarn label, usually in the medium worsted yarn, it usually recommends 5.5 and 6mm crochet hook. So simply buy the crochet hook which goes with the yarn you're gonna use. When I just started, I didn't know any of this, so I ended up with the wrong crochet and the wrong yarn. So when I made my first blanket, it was too tight and weird looking. So these things are simple but very useful when you just start crocheting. For the type of crochet hook, I have here this one, which is half aluminium, and I have the full aluminium. There are the bamboo and wooden ones, and there are thicker ones than this. For me, my favorite is the aluminium because it's easy to hold. It slides better than any other crochet hook, and I don't like these usually, but some crocheters, they do like it. It depends on everyone's preference. You choose depending on your personal preference and liking. So for today I'm using medium worsted acrylic yarn and 5mm crochet hook. So we'll start first with a slip knot. So if you don't get it from the first time, it's very normal. Nobody ever gets anything from the first time. So give yourself time to practice once, twice, thrice, and you'll get the hang of it. Everyone starts from somewhere. So don't be tough on yourself if you don't get it the first time. So the easiest way I learned how to make a slip knot is just take the end of the tail, leave a long tail better. So whatever you're doing later on is doesn't open. So you make a circle like this, okay, and then you bring this tail down, you hold it, you bring your hook, okay, and then you hold the two ends and pull. Okay, we'll do it again. So you make a circle, you bring the loose end under the circle, and then you bring your hook inside the circle and you pull that thread you put under, and that's how you make a slip knot. You pull with this one and you don't pull it very tight, just to tighten a bit the chain. And that's all you need to do. There are different ways of making the slip knot, but for me this is the easiest. This is what I learned the first time, and this is what I've been using for many years now. So how to hold the crochet hook, again it depends on you. This is how I hold it, and this is how it is comfortable for me. It's usually how you hold a pen when you write, as simple as that. So you hold it the way you find it easy, and then for the yarn you just need to hold the thread so it doesn't get loose. So when you pull the yarn with your crochet hook, you just get the needed amount of yarn. So this is the first chain, second chain, and you keep on chaining depending what you're gonna do, as many chains as you want. Okay, one thing, in any crochet pattern, in any video you follow or in a written pattern, this chain is not counted in the number of chains. So let's say I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so this is the last one. So when you are told to make a single crochet or a double crochet in the second chain from the hook, so you start counting from here, 1 2, not from the one on the hook. So 1 2, and then you make whatever you need to do in the next chain. So I hope the beginning tutorial was easy and clear. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. See you on the next video.